Good morning children. I am Nishi Arora. With me Pooja Pareva. Today we shall study class 12th subject English, textbook Flamingo, poetry, lesson 3 keeping quiet, part 2. Dear children, in part first we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today we shall do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1, word meanings. Children, in this question we shall learn meaning of these English words in Hindi. Quiet means shanti. Count, गिनना. Speak, बोलना. Gather, इकट्ठा करना. नेचर, प्रकृति. Question number 2, take the correct alternative. Children, in this question we shall choose a correct answer. What kind of moment would it be when everyone is silent? Correct answer is exotic. So we shall write C in the bracket. Question number 3, write T for true and F for false. In this question you will write T for correct sentence or F for wrong sentence. The poet asks everyone to count up to 11 in their mind. No, poet asks everyone to count up to 12. So we shall write F in the bracket. Question number 4, fill in the blank with the correct option. Children, in this question we shall choose a correct answer and will write it in this blank. The fisherman would not harm dash. Correct answer is whales. So we will write WHALES, whales. Question number 5, answer the following question. What does the poet want us to do? Answer, the poet wants us to pause and to be happy about our achievements and celebrate them. He wants us to overcome the fear of death, to relax for a while, and to realize the purpose of our lives. So children, now we have completed question answers of this lesson. Now you will do homework yourself. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words in Hindi. Children, in this question you will write meaning of these English words in Hindi. For example, quiet means Shanti. In the same way, you will write meaning of these words in Hindi yourself. Okay? Question number 2. Tick the correct alternative. The poet advises the people not to speak dash. Choose the correct answer and write it in bracket. Question number 3. Write T for true and F for false. A huge silence might interrupt the sadness of man's life. Write the answer yourself in the bracket. Question number 4. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Dash would look at his hurt hands. Choose the correct answer and write it in this blank. Question number 5. Answer the following question. Why does the poet request everyone not to speak in any language? Write the answer yourself. So children, now we have completed this lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.